Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. So these are the gel prints from my last printing session, and this video is inspired by, and her Instagram is where I found her, and it's at Claire Youngs. I'll put that in the description box below so you can, maybe it'll be a link, hopefully. She's actually a professional designer. She has a website you can find from her Instagram. But I just love her. She posts like these collage images. And this one is a real close, hopefully. It's nowhere near as good as hers. And hopefully she doesn't mind. Imitation is flattery, right? So I'm taking my gel prints and then this one that's going to be the background. And I'm just making a card. And I'm going to collage on it. Hers is like paper piecing. She has different shapes and stuff. She patterns her own paper, it looks like, from her Instagram. She's got a lot of interesting papers. Mine are just my gel prints. They don't have any extra embellishment on them. And hers, she just uses the paper as the design and the outline. I felt mine didn't stand out enough, so I do take ink to it in the end, and you'll see that. But I am just using Yoo-Hoo glue, and it's really soft. I like the bigger Yoo-Hoo glue sticks that are white. I like seeing the blue, but this glue stick is a lot softer and mushier. I like it when it's stiffer. I can control how much goes on a little bit better. And this is supposed to like divide my circle in half, but it wasn't lining up right, so I'm going to have to cut that. So I created the paper pattern before I started and traced it out on my different gel prints. And that way I could be ready to do this video without taking a lot of time cutting things out on screen. I didn't think you'd like that. Anyway, this one was really fun. And I do like I did a one before I started filming. And I'll show you that one. And I did one after I filmed, which is completely different. And I have done where I've printed or collaged jelly prints before and patterned paper. It's not new, but this was just, this particular design just really made me want to make it. And I thought it kind of had a bird look in hers. Like you'll see it if you go to her Instagram. Like there's a bird or a face. So I tried to get that, but it doesn't look like that on mine. Maybe it's the different choices of color, the fact that my sides are uneven on this could have something to do with it. These jelly prints are on wet strength tissue, so they are very soft and you have to be careful when you're gluing them down with a glue stick. They squish around easily, I guess is the way to say it. Sorry if my voice sounds weird. It's first thing in the morning. And I wanted to get this voiceover done so I could start uploading. So yeah, I sound a little sleepy, but I'm fine. Okay, so can you kind of see the bird there? Yeah. Maybe if I had to put white under the eye, in the eye area, that might have helped it. And yeah, like I said, I did follow her pattern a little bit. She has like multiple collages across the top, probably supposed to represent hair on this person. Or a hat. I'm not sure, really. And that pink is the mouth. But see how it doesn't feel like everything stands out. And these two sides that are sort of the cheek or ear or whatever, they were cut in multiple U shapes and glued on separately. And I did that on the first one, and it was really hard to get them lined up because they were the wet strength tissue paper. So I just do them as solid, and then I'll draw the separation in there after. And here's the eyes, they're closed. Anyway, this is a really quick one. I hope you check her out. I follow her on Instagram. I think her art is really lovely. I just went and looked at her website, and yeah, she's got some really pretty stuff there. So I do weigh it down and let it dry so that it's dry before I draw on it. And I'm just taking my thinnest Posca, I believe. It's either a Posca or Faber-Castell. I can't remember now that I'm looking at it. But I just decided it needed to show up more. Oh, and there was a pattern in the eyebrow or beak area that I wanted to add. So just sort of a fun little project. It was a quick one. Always good for a quick one every once in a while, right? How's everyone doing today? I hope you're doing well. My voice is starting to get normal. Look at that. Oh, and I add a little white in there so that, there's real separation. Yeah. I'll show you the other two that I made, and then that'll be the end. I hope you liked this video. Did you like it? Are you going to try it? It's easy, simple, fun. You can make cards out of this idea, I think. And you don't have to do this face shape. You can do a different one. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. That one's more like the original. And my kitty. Anyways, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Love to hear your comments. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have an awesome day.